Can robots learn on their own? Yes, robots can learn on their own, but not in the same way humans do. Their ability to learn is based on a field of artificial intelligence called machine learning. Instead of being programmed with every instruction for every possible situation, for example, if you see an object, pick it up, modern robots can be trained to make decisions for themselves. So, how do they do it? The most advanced way robots learn is through reinforcement learning. Imagine a robot is given a goal like walking without falling. Every time it takes a step without falling, it receives a digital reward. Every time it falls, it receives a penalty. Over time, through millions of trials and errors, the robot learns to optimize its movements to maximize its rewards. In other words, it teaches itself how to walk. You can see examples of this in the agility and balance of robots from Boston Dynamics. They also use supervised learning, which is like having a teacher. The robot is given a huge data set with labels. For example, thousands of photos of defective and non-defective parts. The robot analyzes this data and learns to identify the differences on its own. Once trained, it can inspect a new part and decide if it's defective or not. It's important to understand that this learning happens within a specific framework. The robot doesn't have consciousness or curiosity to decide what to learn. We give it the objective and the learning environment, and it finds the best way to achieve the goal. In short, robots have gone from being simple machines that execute commands to being students that learn from experience and data. This ability is what makes them capable of performing increasingly complex and adaptable tasks.